Hello guys, welcome to this uh, MySQL setup video. So in this video we are going to install MySQL. Okay, so we are going to install Xampp, and the Xampp going to provide phpMyAdmin, using which we can connect our Nodejs app to the our database server. So let's get started. So first we are going to download Xampp. Okay, so search Xampp. Okay, so Xampp is a local web server. It is going to provide web server for our app. So let's download. Okay, so download any one of these based on your operating system. I'm using a Windows, so I'm going to download and install it. So I have already installed, but you download and install it in your server. Okay, so when installation is finished, search for Xampp control panel, and you will get control panel something like this. Okay, so it will be in the default state, so you need to start Apache as well as MySQL. Okay, so the default username and password is root and blank password. So you can access the database by visiting the URL localhost / phpMyAdmin. Okay, so it will directly go to the dashboard, but if it asks for username and password, then you can give root as a username and blank as a password. Blank means no password. Okay, so that's it guys, this is how you set up Xampp. Okay, this is a little tip for the guys who are facing errors, that MySQL server could not be started or some that kind of error. Then you need to change the port address of MySQL. Okay, so there is a possibility that some other application is using exactly same port address. That's why we're going to change our MySQL port address. So to change the port address, first go to config and service and port setting MySQL, and then here you need to change the default port address. Okay, so default port address will be 3306. So I have changed my default port address to 4646. You can give any number here, there is no restriction. Okay, so give your desired number and click save and save. Now you need to remember that port address, and then you need to change the port address in a couple of places. The first one is in my.ini. So you need to change in two places here. The first one is port 4646. I have changed to 4646. You give your MySQL port address here and here in two places. And the another place where we need to change the port address is phpMyAdmin config file. Okay, so go to local disk Xampp phpMyAdmin and open this config.inc file. Okay, so here in the host field there will be only 127.0.01 address. You need to add colon 4646 or whatever the port address you have given to your MySQL. Okay, so if you have given port address as 4040, then you need to type colon 4040 here. Okay, so after this, save your config file, and then you try access this phpMyAdmin, and you will be able to access this phpMyAdmin. Okay, I need to restart this. Okay, so I hope this video help you to solve your problem and install Xampp into your system. Okay, that's it guys for this video, and from the next video we're going to create a Node app based on MySQL. Okay, so I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.